Long welcome everybody to TNXP stock on 26th November. So let's see what would happen if we saw that TNXP stock was not going to be currently about what would the price be if that the TNXP will not increase. So according to the increasing part is going to be done like this because its minimum value that it has reached and all the way since it started its process to decrease from a level of a value of this level. Okay, I think it is going to be about so that Tinexib that has been sold for a lot of parties, and I think it's going to be the part that will be later about 2 years or 1 year period after it has this stringent form, it would increase in momentum. Hope you benefit from this video.